Hello students, I am Aram Samantha teaching you English literature in class 1. Children, what are these? These are water bubbles in a water and also in the air. Can you able to hold them in your hand? No, because if you try to touch them, they will disappear. But if you want to play with them, it is possible. Here I will show you something similar to them. And they are the sign of happiness and joy. These are balloons. So our today's lesson is based on balloons. From your Oxford Reading Circle book, page number 20. Lesson name The Balloon Man. What are balloons? Balloons are made up of rubber or plastic material. It is soft, smooth and bouncy. When people hear or see the balloons, they understand there is something happiness or celebration. They are filled with gas or air. Children like to play with balloons. Let's begin our lesson. Here are some new words in this story. We read them first. It will help you to understand the story and also improve your pronunciation. So let's start reading with me. The first word is balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. M-A-N-Y. Many. M-A-N-Y. Many. L-O-N-G. Long. L-O-N-G. Long. Huge. H-U-G-E. Huge. Gives. G-I-V-E-S. Gives. Takes. T-A-K-E-S. Takes. Something. S-O-M-E. Some. T-H-I-N-G. Thing. Something. Count. C-O-U-N-T. Count. Balloon man. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. Balloon. M-A-N. Man. Balloon man. Children. C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. Now open your readers, page number 20. Keep your finger on the first word and move on as I read. The lesson, The Balloon Man. This is the balloon man. He has many balloons. Some are small and some are big. Some are long, some are thin, some are thick, some are very big, some are huge. Now turn your page, page number 21. Keep your fingers. Asif, Tara and Sana are looking at the balloon man. The balloon man gives Asif a balloon. He gives Tara a balloon. He gives Sana a balloon. My balloon is red. says Asif. My balloon is blue, says Tara. My balloon is green, says Sana. I will make something for you, say the balloon man. He takes the red balloon from Asif. He takes the blue balloon from Tara. He takes the green balloon from Sana. Count to 10. The balloon man tells the children. Okay, our reading is completed. Now I will explain you the story. Okay, look at this picture. Who is he? Who is this person in this picture? He is a balloon man and he is sailing the balloon. He have different kinds of balloon. Look at this picture. He had different kinds of balloon. Some are long and thin. Some are thick and big. This is big balloon. And this is huge balloon. Huge mean very, very big. There are different kinds of balloons and in different color. He's sailing the balloons. Now, character in this story. The first character in this story is the balloon man. He is the balloon man. And there are 3 children in this story. Asif, Tara and Sana. These are 3 children in this story. Now, why are they looking at the balloon man? They all are looking at the balloon man. Why these children looking at the balloon man? Because they want balloons. Children like to play with balloons. It is so soft, light and easy to hold with string. And when balloons floating in the air, their happiness become double. They felt that they are flying in the air. Now, he is Asif. First balloon the balloon man had given to Asif. It is in red color. Look at this. He is Asif and this is his balloon. Now, second balloon he has given to Tara. She is Tara and balloon man had given balloon to Tara. It is in blue color. Which color? Blue color. Now, she is Sana. Balloon man had given balloon to Sana also. It is in green color. This is third balloon. These children are very happy with these balloon. A balloon man said, I will make something for you. What he said? I will make something for you from these balloons. So he takes back all these balloons from them. He holds them in their hands. The balloon man told them to count to 10. Do you know what he going to make with these balloons? Start think. What did he said? He said count till 10. Let's start count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you people are wondering what will happen. You have to wait for part 2 In part 2, we will see what Balloon Man makes with these balloons. Now here is one activity. What is the color of following objects? I'll read the objects for you. A parrot, a carrot, a mango, a cloud, a tomato, a tooth, a chocolate, a coal. Okay, tell me what is the color of these objects? A parrot is green in color. A carrot is orange in color. A mango is yellow in color. Our clouds are white in color. Our tomato is reddish in color. A tooth is white in color. A chocolate is brown in color. A coal is black in color. Do this activity in your copy also. Home task. Do reading and learn new words from page 20 and 21. Write short answer of these questions in your English literature copy. The first question, describe the balloon which Balloon Man had. Now you have to give the answer. There are different kinds of balloons with different sizes, big, small, long, thick, thin and huge. You can find the answer on page number 20. Okay, who is looking at the Balloon Man? Who is looking at the Balloon Man? Children are looking at the Balloon Man. Why children looking at the Balloon Man? Why? Why children looking at the Balloon Man? Children are looking at the Balloon Man because they want balloons. Who are the children in this story? Name them. There are 3 children in this story: Asif, Tara and Sana. What is the color of their balloons? What is the color of their balloons? Red, blue and green. Asif has red balloon, Tara has blue balloon and Sana has green balloon. Okay, here's one more activity for you. Do exercise D from book page 24 with pictures in your copy. You also have to draw the pictures and write the color's name. Okay, here is a one note for you. Do all the homework given to you from the first lesson till the present one in your English literature copy. Mark will be given to you on the basis of your home activities and homework. This is the end of part 1 lesson, The Balloon Man. We will meet in part 2 of this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye. Have a good day.